Hello kids, this is our English literature class. Today I will be teaching you chapter number 2, My Red Bicycle. But before we begin our class, let's play a game. So what you have to do is, you have to draw lines to match the names of the names and the picture of the vehicles. Let's begin. The first vehicle is written here, train. So can you see train here? This is train? No. Is this a train? Yes. So you have to match it. Next. Now train is the mode of transport that runs on rail. Okay. Next is bus. Now where is the bus? First image is of a bus? Yes. This is the bus. Bus is also the mode of transport which runs on the road. Let us see the third one, ship. Where you can see ship? Yes. Now ship is the mode of transport that runs on water. Yes. Now next. Aeroplane. Now where is the aeroplane? First, second or third? The second one. Yes. Aeroplane flies in the air. Yes, up in the sky. Next, auto rickshaw. Where is the auto rickshaw? This first one or the third one? First one. So, first one is the auto rickshaw? No. Here is the auto rickshaw. So, match it. Now, the third one. Motorcycle. Our first image is the motorcycle, which is the mode of transport which we can see on the road. Okay kids? So, these are the different modes of transportation. So, just now we have seen different modes of transportation, like some vehicles move on road, some on water, while some in air. Now what do you mean by transportation? Transportation means any vehicle that moves people and goods from one place to another. Okay, just like you come to school from home, you come by which mode of transport? By bus or by the car. So bus is your mode of transport to come from home to school. Now the mode of transport like buses, trains, aeroplanes, ships are public transport. Now what is public transport? Transport which means it is used by general people. That is, it is used by so many of people and it is operated at a scheduled time and has a perfect route, or you can say path. Just like trains, many of us take train's ticket and we travel in the train, in buses as well. So these are called public transportations. Okay. Whereas vehicles such as car, bicycle, private planes or scooter are private vehicles. It is a personal or individual use of transportation vehicle which are not available for use by the general people. That means if you are having a car, only you and your family member or friends are going to use that. Not any of the people can pay you and use your car, right? So that is your private vehicle. So always remember, the private vehicles, the user decides. They are their own owner. They have free time. Anytime they can use their vehicle or any route they can follow. But in public transportation, the time is fixed. Okay. Now, why we are discussing these vehicles in the chapter called My Bicycle? Because today we are going to see a story of a boy whose name is Aman. And in his story, there is many kinds of transport. That is vehicles, transporting vehicles. So let us see what is there for us in the story. But before that, let's begin. How you will reach these places. Now you have to match the places with the vehicle you will use to reach this place. For example, the first one is Andaman. Andaman is an island which is surrounded by water from all the sides. So we will use sheep to go to Andaman. So you have to just in front of Andaman you can write sheep. Now next word is Shimla. Shimla. Shimla is a hill station. So you can use this public transport, that is train, to travel to Shimla. Now if you want to go to a market which may be in your neighborhood, that is near to your home, so you can use bicycle to go to market. Then next is London. Oh my god, it's too far. So we have to use aeroplane to go to London. And then comes the school. So you go by school in a bus. So bus is the answer for this. Even in the market you can go by bus, right? Andaman you can go by plane, but here we have some specific vehicles for the specific places. So in our today's class we will see a story of a boy named Aman. Let's begin. Now I'm going to read it for you all. I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. My Abu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. Now, this is a story of a boy whose name is Aman. And what he is showing? A red bicycle. Who gave him the red bicycle? His Abu. Yes, his Abu gave him the red bicycle. But when? On his 7th birthday. So, when was his 7th birthday? Last year. So now tell me, if the boy's birthday, 7th birthday was last year, so this year the boy is how many years old? He is 8 years old, right? Because last year, that is, in the last year he was 7 years old. So this year he will become 8 years, right? So now Aman is of 8 years old and he has a cycle, red bicycle, which his Abu gave him. Now, my bicycle is a second-hand one. Now, what do you mean by second-hand? Which is not new. Okay, that means this cycle is already been used by someone before Abu presented him to Aman. So, it is called second-hand one, right? Its seat cover is slightly torn. Now see, you can see the seat cover. It is torn slightly. Oh, but I love my bicycle. Now see, the bicycle is second hand and even its seat cover is torn. But still, Aman loves his bicycle. Right? Yes, because his father Abu gave him on his 7th birthday. Abu told me, you must take good care of your bicycle. I clean my bicycle every day. Abu is my father. He has a green scooter. He goes to office on his scooter. Now this red cycle is a second hand, right? And its seat cover is also torn. But still, Aman loves his cycle very much. He takes good care of his cycle. He checks whether the tires are perfectly filled with air and every day he cleans his cycle and he takes good care of it. Okay. So we should always take good care of our vehicles and our belongings. That means we should not throw our belongings. Like if you are having a compass box and in that your mother gave you pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale, you should keep it properly. You should take care of your belongings. You should not throw it anywhere. Right? Yes. And what is Abu said? Abu said to Aman that you should take good care of your bicycle. Right? So he is listening to his father. What his father said? he has to take care of his cycle, and so Aman takes care of his bicycle. And now Abu is his father, right? And he also has a green scooter. Yes, he goes to the office on his scooter. Next, we have a tractor now. This vehicle, where it is used? Can you tell me where the tractors are used? Tractors are used on the farms, right? So, we have a tractor. Our tractor says, fat, 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 fat. It's a noise that tractor makes when it goes to work. Now, whenever Aman's father take his tractor to the field, how it makes a noise like fat, 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 fat. Next, my paternal uncle Salim is an engine driver. Now, what do you mean by paternal uncle? The brother of your father is your paternal uncle. So, Salim is Aman's father's brother. So, Salim is Aman's paternal uncle. Is it clear? Okay. Now, Salim is an engine driver. Now, tell me, engine driver, another name for engine driver? It's motorman. The one who drives the engine is also called as motorman. His train is blue and white and runs on rail. Now, we all know the train runs on rail. Trains do not run on road, right? So, here's the third vehicle, that is train. Next, my maternal aunt's name is Seema. Now, maternal. Just now we have seen paternal uncle. Now, what do you mean by maternal aunt? Means the mother, sister of your mother is your maternal aunt. So, Seema is Aman's mother's sister. My maternal aunt's name is Seema. She and her children live in Mumbai. Mumbai is a big city. They come to visit us in a car. Their car is smart. All the village children come to see the car. Okay? So, here another vehicle we have seen, that is car. Now, Aman's maternal aunts, that is, her name is what? Seema. And her children visit to Aman, okay, from the big city named Mumbai. They come to visit us in a car. They come by their car. And their car is so smart. Isn't it so cool? Yes. So, kids, here we come to the end of this chapter. Now, I'm going to read it again. I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. My Abu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. My bicycle is a second-hand one. Its seat cover is slightly torn, but I love my bicycle. Abu told me, you must take good care of your bicycle. I clean my bicycle every day. Abu is my father. He has a green scooter. He goes to office on his scooter. We have a tractor. Our tractor says fat, 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 fat when it goes to work. My paternal uncle Salim is an engine driver. His train is blue and white and runs on rails. My maternal aunt's name is Seema. She and her children live in Mumbai. It is a big city. They come to visit us in a car. Their car is smart. All the village children come to see the car. So kids, we have done for today. Now what you have to do is, you have to read this chapter. Okay? Take care. Have a good day.